I just wrote a C program to add 5 plus 10. Simple, right? But I've always wondered, what actually happens when I hit run? Greetings, user. I am the CPU. I don't understand C. I only speak machine language. Zeros and ones. Wait, so my code gets destroyed? No. The compiler translates it into an executable file full of binary instructions. When you click Run, the operating system loads those instructions from the hard disk into RAM. Why RAM? Why not just read from the disk? The disk is too slow. RAM is my high-speed workspace. Now begins the cycle. Step 1, Fetch. My control unit grabs the next instruction from the memory address. Step 2, Decode. I look at the binary pattern. 01000001. Ah, that means add. So you're translating it back to math? Precisely. Step 3, Execute. I send the numbers 5 and 10 to the ALU, the arithmetic logic unit. Zap. It calculates 15 instantly. Finally, I store the result or print it to your screen. Whoa. And you do all that just to print a number? I do that billions of times per second. I am speed. Respect, Mr. CPU. Respect.